Okay, let's imagine you have a girlfriend, because you don't have one. You ask your girlfriend that, hey, are you upset? And she replies with, no, I'm not. अब my lord वो कह रही she is not upset but she clearly is. और ये हमें उसके बोलने के ढंग से पता चल रहा है, राइट? इसी बोलने के ढंग को हम कहते हैं vocalics. तो vocalics are the non-verbal aspects of communication which dictate how you speak. So things like pacing, pauses, tonality, etc. are a part of vocalics. Now, if you want to become a very charismatic person, if you want to become a better communicator overall, it is very important that you master them. And we'll exactly do that in this video. Quick introduction, my name is Pranav Sethi, and to build thodi si credibility, let me tell you that I am currently one of the lead anchors of my college, and I swear people come up to me every day and tell me that I'm one of the best communicators they've met. But just a few years ago, I was a person who used to stutter in front of his own friends. So I had to spend years of my time researching and practicing this skill. So आज की वीडियो में I'll share my entire knowledge with you, so you become a better communicator faster than I did. Now I know your attention spans are fucked, so without wasting more time, let's dive in. वीडियो को स्ट्रक्चर समझ लेते हैं पहले. सबसे पहले I'll break down the 3 essentials या 3 basics of good communication. The third one was a game changer for me, by the way. And उसके बाद I'll teach you how to combine all 3 to truly transform your communication. Let's begin with essential number 1, which is rate of speech. Rate of speech essentially refers to the speed at which you talk. Now this is one common mistake that I see a lot of people making, is that they speak too fast. Blah 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 blah. And that's exactly how they sound. The problem with this is, जब लोग बहुत तेज बोलते हैं, सबसे पहले you're not clear. तुम्हारा मैसेज ही समझ नहीं आ रहा. So this kills the impact that your words could create. Secondly, इतना तेज बोलने से the chances of you making a mistake increases and you fumble more. You say filler words like बहुत ज़्यादा. Thirdly, when you speak very fast, the other person perceives you as a very anxious या nervous individual, which is not a very good impression to have. एक चीज़ जो हर गुड स्पीकर में कॉमन है is that he or she is very confident, right? अब ये कॉन्फिडेंस दिखता कहाँ पर है? आई बिलीव कॉन्फिडेंस दिखता है जो बंदे की आवाज़ उसकी कामनेस में दिखता. वॉज दिस क्लिप ऑफ रणवीर सिंह.
Off script for a moment here. Wow, one of my screen idols is in the house. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Johnny Depp. My good sir, I've followed your work since Edward Scissorhands and What's Eating Gilbert Grape.
Notice how calm his voice is. Even though he's going off script, even though he's not prepared what he's saying, but he sounds very calm, right? ये calm कैसे लग रहा है? By speaking slower. How can you sound calm? By speaking slower. Now that you know that speaking slow is very important and rushing your sentences is the worst mistake you could make, let's understand how to avoid this mistake and what is the ideal rate of speech. सबसे पहले coming on how to fix this. Firstly, think of yourself as someone who is worth listening to. Slow down, सामने वाला तुम्हारी बात सुनेगा. Secondly, जब भी तुम बोलते हो, consciously try to increase the gap between your words. Visualize this and increase the gap. Thirdly, I learned this from Elon Musk, by the way. Whenever Elon Musk is asked the question, he just takes a pause, he takes a breath and then starts answering.
Building has got you most excited today?
Well, I think that there's increasingly...
वो एक pause या एक breath पता है क्या करता है? It gives you time to structure your thoughts, and secondly, जब तुम एक सांस लेते हो, it helps you control your anxiety a bit. So you calm down. Now let me tell you what an ideal rate of speech is. And the answer to that is there is no ideal rate of speech. Just let me give you 3 golden rules which you have to follow. सबसे पहला रूल, जब भी तुम कुछ important बोल रहे हो या जिन sentences पे तुम एक visual highlight चाहते हो, slow down. उनको धीरे बोलो. Second, जब भी तुम कुछ unimportant बोल रहे हो या boring बोल रहे हो, you can fasten your pace up and get it over quickly. भागना नहीं कभी भी. And exactly the rule number 3 is never sound nervous, never rush your sentences. At all times you need to sound calm. जब भी तुम तेज बोल रहे हो तब भी, जब तुम slow बोल रहे हो तब भी. Now let's move on to the essential number 2, which is pauses. A very, very important aspect of good communication is knowing when to take a pause. Most people are afraid of silences, इसलिए they try to rush their sentences and fill every pause with their words. Imagine you are reading a book and you come across a very deep, thought-provoking line. अब तुम उस लाइन पढ़ के क्या करोगे? ऑप्शन ए, तुम रुकोगे, उस लाइन को फिर से पढ़ोगे, मे बी यूल हाईलाइट इट, यूल एटलीस्ट एक्नॉलेज एंड कि यार क्या बढ़िया लाइन लिखी है बंदे ने, एंड देन मूव ऑन, राइट? ऑप्शन 2 इज कि तुम वो लाइन पढ़ते हो और सीधा अगले लाइन पे शिफ्ट कर जाते हो. If you do this, then that line won't have the same impact on you, right? Let's watch Ranveer Singh wali clip again.
Wow, one of my screen idols is in the house. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Johnny Depp. My good sir, I've followed your work.
Notice when he took a pause, he got an applaud and it gave his words that dramatic effect. Imagine he didn't take that pause.
Wow, one of my screen idols is in the house. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Johnny Depp. My good sir, I've followed your work since Edward Scissorhands and What's Eating Gilbert Grape.
उतना impact नहीं आया, right? He took a pause, it gave his words that dramatic effect, and the audience applauded. तो एक pause क्या करता है? सबसे पहला, it signals the audience that this is the time to react, and secondly, it gives your words that weight, and that depth. When you take a pause, you give the audience the time to let your words sink in, and they create that dramatic effect. They create that visual highlight. This makes your sentences land with an impact. Now that you've understood this, pause कब लेना? Pause 3 जगहों पर लेना. सबसे पहले, you have to take a pause after each sentence. कुछ लोग जब बोलते हैं, they just keep blabbering blah 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 blah. When you take a pause after each sentence, तुम्हारे वर्ड्स थोड़े स्ट्रक्चर्ड साउंड करते हैं. दूसरा, जब तुम कुछ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बोलते हो, जब तुम कुछ बहुत डीप थॉट प्रोवोकिंग लाइन बोलते हो, टू गिव दैट ड्रामेटिक इफेक्ट यू हैव टू टेक अ पॉज. थर्डली, अगर तुम्हें किसी वर्ड पे एम्फेसिस डालना है, किसी बात पे एम्फेसिस डालना है, तब यू हैव टू टेक अ पॉज. नाउ कमिंग टू द थर्ड एसेंशियल, विच वॉज अ रियल गेम चेंजर फॉर मी बाय द वे, इट इज़ पिच. सम टाइम अगो मेरी एक फ्रेंड है, उसके पीछे एक लड़का पड़ा हुआ था बहुत टाइम से. ही वॉज कॉन्स्टेंटली ट्राइंग ऑन हर. तो आई वॉज वेरी क्यूरियस, क्योंकि ना वो लड़का था भी स्मार्ट, टॉल भी था, दिखने में अच्छा था. तो आई जस्ट आस्क्ड हर कि यार व्हाई नॉट गिव हिम अ ट्राई. एंड उसका रिप्लाई बहुत सिंपल था. उसने बोला उसकी आवाज़ बहुत पतली है. एंड दैट मेड मी रियलाइज़ कि जितना हम सोचते हैं लड़कियां इन चीज़ों पे, उतना उससे ज़्यादा ध्यान देती हैं. सो सम टाइम अगो मैं व्लॉग्स बनाता था अपने लिए, से अपनी मेमोरीज़ के लिए. एंड ना जब भी मैं वो व्लॉग ऐसे रीवॉच करता था, आई यूज टू जस्ट क्रिंज आउट बहुत ज़्यादा, क्योंकि आई साउंडेड वे टू चाइल्डिश. मुझे ऐसा कि भाई ऐसे चुभ रही है आवाज़, एंड आई वॉज वेरी अनॉयड. जब मैं नॉर्मली बात कर रहा हूँ, मुझे अपनी खुद की आवाज़ ऐसे उस वे में नहीं आती थी. तो जब मैं ऐसे वीडियो पे सुनता था, तब आई रियलाइज कि यार आई हैड अ वेरी फ्रेल वॉइस.
हाँ, तो बात हो रही थी हमारी, क्या बात हो रही थी, बंद क्यों किया हम लोग?
एंड आई वांटेड टू इम्प्रूव ऑन इट. तो ऐसे यूट्यूब पे जाके टाइप की हाउ टू गेट अ डीपर वॉइस, एंड आई गॉट दिस स्टेप बाय स्टेप स्ट्रैटेजी. I learned this technique from Hamza by the way. अब जैसे अगर मैं नॉर्मली बात करूँ, Hi, my name is Pranav. Hi, my name is Pranav. You notice whenever I'm ending the sentence, I'm ending it on a higher pitch or a higher note. या जब भी मैं कोई word को end कर रहा हूँ, एक higher note पे end कर रहा हूँ. Instead अगर मैं visualize करूँ कि मुझे अपने सारे sentences एक lower note पे end करने, कैसे? Hi, my name is Pranav. Hi, my name is Pranav. उससे जो मेरी आवाज़ एक natural उसको depth मिलेगी. प्लस अगर इसके साथ मैं थोड़ी सी डेलिबरेटली अपनी आवाज़ भारी करके बोलूँ, बहुत थोड़ी सी, इट वुड गिव दैट परफेक्ट रेशो एंड इट वुड मेक माई वॉइस साउंड फ्रॉम हाई माई नेम इज़ प्रणव टू हाई माई नेम इज़ प्रणव. एंड दैट साउंड सो मैस्कुलिन, सो पावरफुल. अनदर एडवांटेज ऑफ अ डीपर वॉइस इज दैट फर्स्टली you look very sexy, you sound very sexy, and secondly it gives your voice that depth and adds power to your words, and people listen when you speak this way. Now that we have covered the basics, we can go on to combining them and transforming your communication. In 2026, if you want to engage your listeners or if you want to become a good communicator, you need to master vocal variations. This would be one of the most powerful lessons you will learn on effective communication. आज की डेट में people talk on a default setting on, meaning वो पूरे टाइम एक constant pitch, constant rate of speech से बात करते हैं. So they essentially sound like this. You can make hard habits more attractive if you learn to associate them with positive experience. Sometimes all you need is slight mindset shift. Boring. If you talk like this, people are gonna lose interest and they won't even hear what you're trying to say. आज की डेट में लोगों का टेंशन स्पैन बहुत कम है, तो you need to make your words attractive and you need to make your words engaging so people listen. So essentially you have to talk like this. For instance, we often talk about everything we have to do in a given day. You have to wake up early, you have to make sales call, you have to cook dinner. Now imagine just changing one word. You don't have to, you get to. Notice what I did. I took pauses, I emphasized on words, I changed my rate of speech, I changed my pitch, but this made my sentences sound 10 times better. So basically you need to add vocal variety to your sentences. Your sentences shouldn't sound very monotonous. Now how do you add this vocal variety? Number one is pace. As explained earlier, अगर तुम कुछ बहुत important बात कर रहे हो, slow down. अगर तुम इतना important नहीं बोल रहे हो, just fast है ना. Just keep changing your rate of speech constantly throughout your sentences. Number two is take more pauses. If you're trying to say something important, before you say it, take a pause. After you say it, take a pause. Number three is volume. Volume एक बहुत बड़ा aspect हो सकता है of vocal variety. तुम अपनी volume fluctuate कर सकते हो. तुम अगर कुछ sad बोल रहे हो जैसे कि, तो उसको अपनी धीरे टोन में बोल सकते हो. एकदम से अगर तुम अपनी वॉल्यूम बढ़ा दोगे देन लिसनर्स वुड बी एंगेज्ड एकदम से, कैसे तुमको शॉक मिलेगा. बेसिकली तुम्हें मोनोटनी ब्रेक करनी है, तुम कैसे भी करो वो तुम्हारे ऊपर है. थर्ड थिंग इज जो तुम्हारे लाइफलेस वर्ड्स हैं उनमें थोड़ी जान फूकनी है. बेसिकली यू नीड टू ऐड कलर्स टू योर स्पीच. ये कैसे करना है? आई बिलीव हर वर्ड एक इमोशन कन्वे करने की एबिलिटी रखता है. जैसे इफ आई एम सेइंग कि आई सॉ अ मैसिव बिल्डिंग द अदर डे. अब मैं यू नोटिस हाउ आई एम्फेसिस ऑन मैसिव. I instead of saying massive, I said massive. Yeah, if I'm saying I saw a very tiny rat. Very tiny, very पे मैंने emphasis डाल दिया to emphasize कि हाँ भाई बहुत छोटा था. Yeah, you could say I met her yesterday and she looked very sad. अब notice very sad पे एकदम से मैंने अपनी pitch थोड़ी low कर दी. Similarly, अगर तुमने कुछ अपनी excitement show करनी है, increase your volume, increase the rate of speech. I saw the movie yesterday and it was brilliant. Brilliant पे emphasis again. So in a nutshell, just add colors to your sentence, add that vibrance, add that life, and you would sound 10 times better. Now with this, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it or if you learned a thing or two, please make sure to like. For you, it's just one click, but it means the world to me. Thanks for watching.